have every year different participants, different students. We have most of the time very diverse universities and art schools. They will learn about how to explore, experiment, fail, how to make collaborations, to create friendship, learn about Singapore a lot. They continue networking, collaborating in a different way as a practicing artist.
It gives lots of freedom to the participants, which is super nice. It also moves them out of their comfort zone. And it has also moved me out of my comfort zone, even if for different reasons.
I really enjoyed my experience here. It was nice to get to know a new country that I've never visited before, and also meet people from more than 10 different countries, try different foods. So getting out of your zone and just having that space to think about your work and create, that is something that I will remember the most from this experience.
I think the Tropical Lab has been a one-lifetime experience because people from so many different cultures and backgrounds have come together to an unfamiliar place. So kudos to the LASALLE College for creating something so beautiful.